Today I want to talk to you about performance management. Hey, hope you're all having a great day. So today I want to talk to you about performance management. A lot of our work is around measuring data at all touch points and manage and improve performance. A lot of businesses that we look at are either absolutely not measuring the multiple touch points, and if they are measuring them, they are absolutely flawed to a point that you really can't hold any of the people accountable, because they would point you at this flawed data capture and say, well, not my fault, the data must not be correct. My advice always is to measure everything. You can never over measure things, but at the same time, you want to make sure those measurement plans are efficient. You don't want to spend too much time or employ a full-time person to measure and capture the data. Well, obviously it depends the size of your organization, but there are plenty of programs that would help you automate that measurement process, and what you can measure, you can manage. Looking at the data from all these touch points will really help you understand the bigger and broader picture of your business and help you create a plan that works, execute that plan, and hold people accountable during that journey of growth. Poor measurements always result in poor performance, and above all, poor results. If there's anything we can help you with measuring data, analyzing it, creating report, and accountability of your team and team leaders, would love to talk to you about it. Drop us a comment or a question. Hey, if you got any value out of it, drop me a little like and a comment. It really helps with the algorithm and motivates us to keep going. As always, I really appreciate you being with us today, and I will see you next time.